Here we have the Generac GP8000E. It's got this nice handle right here. You have the fuel gauge on top, instructions right here. I have the battery. This is a fairly small battery for this size generator. Usually it's about 1.5 to 2 times bigger. Exhaust coming out on this side. To start it, you just push the button to start. Choke right here, fuel filter, pull start, and you have the fuel inline shut off. Here you also have instructions for the fuel shut off and the choke. Overall, great generator. I got it for using on the job site to handle power tools, so I would definitely recommend.